Hi, and welcome to my first unofficial YouTube video. It is currently 11 p.m., January the 30th, 2020. And I believe it's like 40 degrees in here, so I'm pretty cold. Let me state the obvious right now. This is extremely awkward, since I'm the type of person that doesn't even like the picture being taken. The purpose of this channel is for me mainly to finish a project that I've started. I have started 3 vehicles so far and only pulled the front end off of all of them. And 2 of them were running vehicles at the time I started. And I also apologize for the quality of the video and audio since I'm going to be using my iPhone for most everything to do with this channel. Let me introduce you to 3 of my 5 current projects. The first one is a 78 Camaro, which my father gave me. And I'm going to be redoing the front suspension to lower it, and I have some engine upgrades that's going to make it run better and sound better. I wish I could do some with all the dirt. The second project is a 71 Ford Bronco. Please excuse the little altar or shrine my daughter likes to play with candles. But this one was one of the running vehicles, and I actually drove it for a couple of years, but it needs a complete restoration. And I do have most of the parts around the shop somewhere. And the third is a 65 Austin-Healey that I got for free. It's a complete car, even though it don't look like it. The engine actually idles. Let me put you down right quick. But it also needs a complete restoration in itself. The way I plan to fund these projects is by buying and selling stuff on eBay, hence the name OK Flipper. And I plan on, at the end of every week, having a running total of how much I have or how much I spent, just to kind of keep you in the loop of where I'm at. My ultimate goal is every weeknight, after my wife and kids go to sleep, to come out here for at least a couple hours and mess around with something, and hopefully get one of these projects going and sold. Also, I plan on asking a lot of questions since I'm not a mechanic or auto repairman, and I'm going to be basically doing this by myself. I will, however, have some help from my father and a few of my other friends that are more mechanically savvy than me. If you're interested in anything that I'm doing or anything at all related to this channel, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe if you want to take this awkward trip with me. And if you're perhaps interested in any of my eBay stuff, as in like what type of stuff I'm selling or what seems to move for me or anything related like that, please let me know. I can do a video over it. This is the type of stuff that I'm hoping to sell soon, along with everything in these bins, all the movies and all this stuff right here, along with all this vintage baseball wax that I have no idea how to get rid of. But starting this weekend, I'm gonna take old Blue out of the garage and push the Bronco over here. I think I'm gonna start with that, trying to get something done on it. I don't know what exactly yet. And along with all the eBay and car stuff, I plan to take y'all along if I go on any kind of road trips or car shows or just anything outside of the shop. And also, if anybody's interested in any kind of blacksmithing, or I wouldn't go as far as say bladesmithing, but I am fiddling around with that a little bit too, so I may throw some of that on here as well, just to break up the monotony of working on a vehicle for weeks. And here's my small Atlas knife forge. It is pretty awesome, and I have made quite a few things from it, but I don't think I've made one knife yet. But if you'd like to see it in action or anything like that, please let me know. So if any of this interests you, please like, comment, and subscribe, as everybody says. And hopefully it won't be too awkward, and I'll get used to this. But if not, then I guess we'll stay awkward. Thank you.